Beautiful former model home. Features include 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, vaulted ceilings, black appliances, extra large master closet, sprinkler system, fully landscaped front, back, and side yards, 6-foot extension to the garage, and custom paint, blinds and draperies. All appliances are included. Call today to see this home.